How to add your work address in Lyft. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add your work address shortcut. First of all, open the application. Now here on the right bottom, you can see your profile icon. Simply tap on it. So these are the profile settings. Now on the top, you'll be able to see view profile. Simply tap on view profile. Now slowly scroll down. Here on the bottom, you'll be able to see the option called add work. Tap on add work. So this is the work location that you can set. Here you can keep any of the location. So here I'm typing 1. Now simply tap on the location that you want to keep. So as you can see, the shortcut has been added. Now later when you are using this application, you'll be able to easily access it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.